Shanghai Xianfeng Valve's free-function exhaust valve, also known as a composite exhaust valve, is a key valve used in pipeline systems, mainly for automatic exhaust, air intake and emergency drainage, and is widely applied in water supply, HVAC fire protection and other systems. The specific applications seen are iOS main LY include a water supply system, preventing water hammer or pump cavitation caused by air blockage. B. HVAC, remove the air from the radiators or pipes to enhance the heat efficiency. C. Fire protection pipeline, ensuring rapid water filling of the system, and there is no air residue. The specific working process of the valve is as follows. 1. Automatic venting stage. Initial state. When the pipeline is filled with water, air accumulates at the top of the valve. B. Exhaust action. The float ball sinks due to gravity. The air is expelled through small exhaust outlet. C. Close exhaust. As the water level rises, the float ball flows up, filled off the exhaust outlet, prevent water from overflowing. 2. Inhalation and air replenishment stage. A negative pressure generation. When the pipes drain or the temperature drops, the internal pressure decreases. B. Air intake action. The float ball falls, and external air enters the pipeline through the pressure balance. 3. Emergency drainage phase. A manual auto trigger. Rotate the valve handle or utilize the pressure difference. Open the exhaust port. B. Rapid drainage. Big aperture design. Expedite venting inside the pipe liquid. Thanks for your attention. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.